Sperm coming out from the woman's body. Is it good or is it bad? So that is what I am going to share with you people in today's video, because this has been a question that most people has been asking me. Kenneth, is it good or is it bad for a sperm to stream out from a woman's body? That is, when a man has an encounter with his partner, and after the encounter, sperm is coming out from the woman's body, whether it is good or it is bad. So that is what I am going to tell you. You don't need to panic. All you have to do is to make sure that you watch this video from the beginning to the very end to know the actual reason and whether it is unhealthy or healthy. But before I proceed on this video, I want to say thanks to all my subscribers, people that support this channel in one way or the other. May God bless you and enrich you in everything that you are doing. My name is Kenneth Os. I make videos on men's secrets and natural ways to keep men. In case if you are new on this channel, you want to know more about men and natural ways to keep men, you are on the right channel. Consider to subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload video concerning men and natural ways to keep men. So let's dive in today's topic, which says sperm streaming out. Is it good or is it bad? When a man has an encounter with his partner and during the encounter he ejaculates, if he ejaculates, I want to tell you that when he releases a sperm, it is not sperm. It is not only sperm that he releases. There are other fluids that accompany the sperm during ejaculation. So when a man releases, he does not release only sperm. He releases both fluid and sperm from the testicles, from prostate gland and other gland, where fluid that will accompany that sperm to the woman's body. So when this happens, the sperm goes in. Remember and bear in mind that sperm is very sensitive. A drop of it can act like a catalyst. A drop of it can move as fast as possible. So once it drops, the main sperm goes to its direction. The main sperm has gone where it is expected to be. So the fluid are the things that are coming out, not the actual sperm. So if after you have an encounter with your partner and there are fluid coming out, which you think that it is the sperm, no, it is not the sperm. The sperm has gone to its direction and gone to do its job. So what you think that is sperm is not sperm. The things coming out are fluid or fluids that accompany that semen to the woman's body. So if you see any fluid coming out after you have an encounter with your partner, it is not sperm. It is not sperm. It is fluids that are coming out. So it is healthy when you see those fluids coming out. It is not sperm. So you don't need to bother. You don't need to think that there is something difficult or something bad has happened. If you experience infertility, the best thing is for you to go for checkup. Consult your healthcare provider. It is not those fluids you think that is sperm that causes your infertility. And there is nothing like sperm coming out. It is fluids that are coming out from the woman's body. So that is it in today's video. I hope you get value and I hope you understand what I said. If you get value from watching this video, consider to hit the like button, subscribe to be a member of this channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload video concerning men and natural ways to keep men. If you have questions and comments, do not hesitate to drop your comments and questions in the comment section below. In fact, comment on this video, let me know what you think. Like and share this video to your friends and families. See you in my next video. I wish you good luck, good health, and success. Bye for now.